In a small cozy workshop at the edge of town lived a little silver robot named Zippy. The workshop was always busy. Tiny gears ticked, tools clinked softly, and warm sunlight streamed through the window. Zippy was very special. He could clean the shelves until they sparkled. He could cook simple meals. He could count numbers faster than anyone. And he could even dance in perfect rhythm. But deep inside, Zippy had one wish. "I want a heart," he told the old inventor one quiet evening. The inventor chuckled kindly. "You don't need one," he said. "You're already perfect." Zippy tried to believe him, but one afternoon, something happened. The little girl next door tripped in the garden and scraped her knee and began to cry. Zippy watched her. He heard the tears. He saw her pain. But he didn't know what to do. Yet, he just stood there. And that made him feel even emptier. She sat on the grass, crying softly. Zippy remembered something. He remembered the inventor once placing a bandage on his own finger. He gently helped her sit up. From a small compartment in his chest, he took out a colorful bandage. With steady hands, he placed it softly on her knee. Then, in his gentle robotic voice, he said, "It will be okay." The girl sniffed. She looked at him. Her tears slowed. And then she smiled. Suddenly, she wrapped her arms around Zippy in a big warm hug. And that's when it happened. Inside his metal chest, Zippy felt something new. Not the buzz of batteries, not the hum of wires, but warmth, bright like sunshine. Zippy gasped. He rushed back into the workshop. "Inventor," he beeped excitedly. I think I have a heart." The old inventor smiled wisely. "Hearts aren't made of metal," he said softly. "They are made of kindness." Zippy looked down at himself. He didn't need wires or gears to make a heart. From that day on, whenever someone was sad, Zippy helped. He shared, he cared, he listened, and every time he did, his warm golden glow shined just a little brighter. Because a heart isn't something you build, it's something you show. So, moral of the story, a kind act is what makes a heart.